Classified crime is on the case of Alison Lawrence, the woman accused of drowning her dog at the Orlando airport so she could board an international flight. And today we are going to look at an update on the court proceedings, including the pretrial hearing and court docket. If you don't know anything about this case, I will link my previous video here and in the description so you can check out the details of the police investigative report. Alison Lawrence is accused of animal cruelty and tampering with physical evidence. If convicted, she could face up to 5 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. I also found out she has a prior criminal history and several aliases that have been used in the past. According to the affidavit for arrest from Orange County, she has previously registered for a Florida driver's license under the name Alison, spelled with one L, Agatha Lawrence, on November 26, 2024. Alison Agatha Holt, Alison spelled with two L's, on May 13th, 2024. And Alison spelled with two L's, Agatha Lichter, on May 27th, 2008. On her pretrial court hearing, the assistant state attorney filed this notice of prior convictions and criminal history. It doesn't give specific details, but it does say that the state will rely on convictions and history during the trial. This was during her pretrial hearing on April 29th, 2025. Also on the court docket, a concerned citizen of Orange County has written the following email to the judge. It says, Honorable Diego Madrigal, this case is absolutely horrific. Please see to it that this defendant is shown no grace nor leniency during proceedings, and should she be found guilty during sentencing, the maximum penalty. As a miniature Schnauzer owner, they are smart, loyal, and amazing creatures, much better than most humans. This woman is none of those things and doesn't deserve to walk among us in Orange County or anywhere until she has had a great deal of time to reflect on the heinousness of her alleged crime. Please do the right thing and make sure she is shown fair but full justice. Thank you. So I would just like to say first off, that if I were flying with my dog, I would have known the requirements and gotten them taken care of before I even got near the flight date. Second, if wherever I was going didn't take Snoopy, then it's not taking me either. Snoopy and I will march ourselves right back home and happily sit on the couch and watch true crime. Maybe if Alison Agatha Lawrence Holt Lichter had ever watched true crime, she would know better than to allegedly do something like this, especially in a busy airport full of witnesses and surveillance. We see you, Alison Agatha Lawrence. And of course, she has pled not guilty, even with all of the evidence, including this surveillance. This is the upcoming schedule of hearings from the Orange County Courthouse docket. So I will be continuing to follow this case, and I will also be digging into any criminal history of the defendant, Alison Agatha Lawrence, or Holt, or Lichter. So until next time, I will see you in the comments. Like and subscribe for more content.